Ooh, pralines, look at that. You know how people say like tomato and tomato? No one says tomato, but people do have a debate on how you say praline or praline depending on where you come from. No matter how you say it, this recipe for buttermilk-pecan pralines is amazing. Let's get started. We are going to add brown sugar, granulated sugar, buttermilk, cream, salt, and light corn syrup. The corn syrup helps stabilize your sugar when you're cooking it and is super important so it doesn't like automatically crystallize. Stir everything together over low heat until everything is kind of dissolved and pretty much smooth, and then you can increase it to medium, high, and bring it to a boil. We're looking to go to between 230 and 235. That is what we call softball stage. And it literally just means when cooled, the sugar in this state will be like a soft, kind of sticky ball. As soon as this stuff is ready to go, you have to go with it immediately. You literally cannot wait. So you wanna have everything ready to rock and roll as soon as it's ready to rock and roll. Okay, we are almost at 235. Right now I'm at 227. You would think that it goes super quickly, and it does go super quickly to get up until about the 228, 229 point. After that, it takes a little bit longer, or longer than it did to get up to that point, but you really wanna watch it. I'm gonna pull this off about 232. All right, I turned the heat off. I reached the 235 point. Let it cool for 6 to 8 minutes. Really watch it, keep your thermometer in there. And you need to get it down to 220. All right, I'm at 220, stir in my butter and my vanilla. So you're gonna stir this butter and vanilla until it's creamy and opaque. It shouldn't take super long. This right here is where it's about to get intense. So you're stirring this until it reaches a certain point in the way that it looks, and it's also cooling it as you stir. Once it is opaque, I'm going to add in my pecans and my bourbon. That bourbon, y'all. Here we go. Stir it up, keep stirring. Work on those arm muscles. You're gonna see it. There's gonna be a point, and it's gonna get thick, but not too thick, and then you're gonna drop them in little clumps onto your tray. You gotta work super quickly. After you get going, it's like pancakes. Your first one's not gonna be so hot. Your last one also not gonna be so hot. The sweet spot is like right in the middle of your batch. All right, here we go. They spread a little bit as they settle, so give a little bit of room for settling. They're messy, but that's kind of the beauty of them. When they cool and they harden, any parts that you don't really like that kind of sling off to the side, you can break those off, or you can just embrace it. Find beauty in the imperfections. That's what I'm working on. Last one. Bing, bang, boom. Pralines or pralines. All right, once you have all of your pralines splattered out onto your trays, you're going to let them cool until they are completely set for about an hour at room temperature, undisturbed. They may start to spot, and that is totally fine. Because of the buttermilk in this recipe, it's kind of like super natural. Embrace it. I promise the buttermilk makes them taste super delicious. So don't be scared if the spots start to show up. I kind of think they're kind of cool. All right, see y'all in an hour. Once your pralines, whatever you want to call them, have cooled and set for about an hour, they're going to be pretty firm to the touch. You can transfer them to whatever you want to serve them in, like an airtight container, and they'll last for about 1 to 2 weeks. Pralines are one of those recipes that you put a ton of effort into making them. You can either save them all for yourself or you could gift them and share the love. I think that pralines make a great gift because they do last a long time once they're cooked. And they're like a really impressive labor of love. No matter how you say it, praline or praline, this is a must-try Southern classic recipe. For more classics like these, be sure to subscribe to our Southern Living YouTube page. But as always, you can find all things Southern Living on Facebook and Instagram too. I'll see y'all next Friday. Happy praline baking. You got me.